This is the inside of the cabin. It's really, really rotten and really icky. It's on like a wooden foundation, I think. And so that's why we're tearing it down. I don't even think I want to go any farther because it might fall through or something.
See, you can tell I've already ripped out, Ruthie. I've already ripped out the insulation and drywall that was in here, which was, it was a nice little building, but it was really moldy. And look right here, Ruthie, I don't know if you know, that is termite damage, what that is.
Which part?
This spot, get a close up on that.
There.
That's termite damage. Termites, see how this dirt's on there? They make little tunnels and they go down to the ground, get water and come up in their dirt, and then they eat the wood. The floor was poured right on dirt. So all the joists on the underneath are all rotted. That's why the floor is so bouncy. See, look at this. And then if you look up here, this is rotting. This here, there's a lot of water damage up here. This whole wall's just basically rotted. There was a 2x4 here, completely rotted. So.
Like it rotted and fell off, or did you just tear it off?
I just like went like this and it fell off.
Seriously?
Yes. And then we're gonna save a lot of stuff. Like this is kind of neat. I think if I can get it out and everything in one piece, which I can, and I'll save that and maybe use it on, I don't know, something else. Then look over here, there's another, there's basically anywhere where moisture was getting in for years at a time. See this 2x4?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh!
Whoops. You watch your feet though. You gotta watch your feet.
Yeah, this part could like, I feel like this floor could just fall at any
moment.
moment.
Get you some leather boots, Jack.
Arf!
Arf. It wouldn't really make sense to spend a lot of money on this building when it's already kind of in a funny place. And it would take a lot of money to get it back up to shape. Like originally we were going to make it into a cute little thing, but it would cost so much money to get it where that needs to be that it didn't make sense for us.
Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but this part's super rotted too. Here's the back. There's a chimney over here. Like all the boards are just super rotted. There's like a hole in there. I've seen my cats go under here once. It's a pretty good hiding spot to get away from the dog, but I'm not sure where it leads to. And here's the fun again. It's the part Dad kicked out. Here it comes. This thing isn't quite as big as it looks on camera, but it is quite big.
On the inside of the house?
Yeah, do it on the inside. That's the way it goes. Not sure what Micah thought he was doing. He got up there and then he reached toward the roof. Oh, there they go. Just don't break it because I want to use it for the barn. They're too short. They need to do the top too. Gosh, there ain't much in that. I mean, that's all it is. Now you can see how not worth keeping this thing is.
Pretty decent pipe.
Like is it like a chimney liner basically?
What?
Is it like a chimney liner basically?
It's just what you call double wall.
Okay.
There's a gap of air in between where the actual chimney is. Basically like our old
yes.
Bricks.
Uh-huh.
On our old one and we put the liner in. So yeah, kind of like...
Are you trying to get the eggs? Can't reach them? Here, Mommy will put them forward for you a little bit. There you go. Can you put it in? I'll make you a smoothie. Just 1 minute. Micah wants to put the AA. He said, no, AA. The AA's away.
Okay.
Let's put the AA's away and then close it up because I think that they're trying to lay right now. And Daniel's upset. Here you go. You go bring him in now?
No.
All done.
What did you say?
All done. None. Are you being careful, buddy? Eggs. Okay, let's go to the house with them.
Hey, maybe let me just rip and you just drag it over the dumpster for a minute.
Rip and drag.
Okay, love? I mean, hey, they did a pretty good job of building something themselves.
Yeah.
Just wish they would have. I mean, I guess whatever. It's good that we can get rid of it. I don't feel bad about it. You're gonna get it, buddy. Keep it. Got it? Hit it. Nice job!
I just did that. Did I just do that?
Crazy, I still have those trusses above my head.
Yeah, don't knock yourself out. That's like the only good wood in here that's like D's. Might actually hurt you. I can't believe how rotted out that whole area is.
That was just where the chimney came in. And
Damaged with water. Gosh, there's nothing under this thing. Did it leave in there last time?
I keep forgetting why I'm not doing this.
There you go. Trusses. Whoops.
Just fall.
And here's the foundation this was sitting on. Dirt and wood. So that wasn't gonna work. Micah, no. Let her rip. That's some hard work.
Not ready, Mom.
Not ready. It's okay. All right, try it. Jack.
Where you find your feather? Alright, you ready?
Yep. No, Jack.
Yeah, it's still gonna be connected over the wall. Sorry about your garden, man.
I am super excited to have a spigot by my garden.
Yeah, I'm gonna put
That's
a dry, or whatever it's called, like a frost, a berry hydrant
Okay.
coming out of there.
I love that.
Like, this
That's
works,
gonna be
but-
so nice.
You can keep it like this and have a water fountain.
There you go. Oh.
Hello!
Just turn it on really high and it'll water the garden. On our property, we don't have very many areas that there aren't any trees. And where the garden cottage is sitting is the one place that is full sun. And so this is really gonna help with our gardening this summer. We had a spot last year with a few beds, but I want to grow a lot more. And even those would be better suited for herbs because they are still partially in the shade once this tree behind me gets all of its leaves on. Hey, here's the after, all cleared out. We are getting a yard hydrant put in here. As you can see, we have a bit of a leak. Nothing massive, but we are going to put in a yard hydrant. This will be really nice because I can put raised beds all right here and have my water source really close, as opposed to carrying a hose all the way from the house, which is a little ways. We're probably gonna rearrange the beds a bit. We did this bed arrangement based on where the cottage was sitting. And so now that it is no longer there, it's probably not exactly how we would have it. And we also want to put a white picket fence around the whole garden. So that is something we're going to do. We're going to build a few more raised beds and then put the fence around it. And then we'll have a good sized garden. Probably fit at least double the amount of raised beds that we have currently. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more homestead updates, more garden updates, and we're going to be getting a new animal here soon. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. If you're brand new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.